We all make videos. Some of us do presentation videos. Some do product reviews. And some capture cool ones like this drone video. But some videos generate money. Are you thinking how? Simple. They get lots of social interaction, views, and leads. Ranking a video on the first page of search engines wasn't easy. Until... Introducing VideoSubmitter, the first ever 100% automated, one-click video syndication software. Let me show you a quick demo of VideoSubmitter. So here, I have my license key entered already. This is what it looks like. Clean and simple. Let's add a new project. All you need is an existing YouTube video. So just upload your video to YouTube and grab the link. Add the same title as you have it on YouTube, a description, some keywords, and a category. Hit Submit button and watch the magic! Here we go. It's already submitting to dozens of video sites successfully. Save the complete links report to your computer using this button. The next exciting feature of this software is Link Booster. Send the video links to hundreds of websites for link building and watch the video rank higher and generate exposure. It literally took less than a minute to get all this done. Amazing, isn't it? Freelancers will charge you $25 to $50 for just one-time submission. Most submission tools will have errors, low success rates, and poor database. VideoSubmitter syndicates your video to 50+ sites within 60 seconds. You can create unlimited projects and save reports instantly. Dominate any niche you wish, locally or globally, thanks to VideoSubmitter, as it automates the whole process. So grab your copy today. Start submitting and start profiting.